Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a very simple and easy to use code snippet to make your logos or any element like this grid into your mobile version. Okay, so let me show you the example. Okay, for let's say for this section. Okay, so we have 4 different column, and each column we have a different image. Okay, so if we go to the mobile version, okay, then by default it should show one by one like this. Okay, let me go to the editor. Okay, so that you can see how it should look like. Okay, you see here on the mobile version the image one after another. Okay, like this. But when we take this on mobile, okay, the preview page, then it's showing the grid style the same way the logos. Okay, so when you have multiple different logos to show your page, or multiple different images that you want to show side by side like this on the mobile version as well as on your desktop version, then you need this code snippet to implement. Okay, so it's very simple and easy to use code snippet. Okay, so first of all, go to your page builder. Okay, in this case there is the section that I want to make all those columns, all those logos grid style, both on mobile as well as on desktop. Okay, so I already added everything. Okay, so what I need to do, just select the intersection. Okay, and then go to advanced and copy your section ID. Okay, the CSS selector, and then go back to your code editor. Okay, so you will get this code snippet into our GHL code snippet library. Okay, from here, let me show you. Uh, uh, when you log into the community, then go to the learning tab, and you will find the GHL Code Snippet Pro Unlimited. If you are the premium member, then when you access on it, you will get the code snippet. Okay, so let me show you just in a moment. Okay, you see here we have all different code snippets. Okay, so you will find this into the design code snippets. Okay, just copy the code snippet and then replace this CSS ID. Okay, your section CSS ID with your section CSS ID. Okay, so I just replaced that, and then copy the enter code. Okay, just copy the enter code, and then I'm going to copy and then go back to your page and open the custom CSS and then paste the code. Okay, so I already have the code hidden. Okay, for the security reason, because it's our premium code snippet, that's why it's hidden. But if you are a free member, then just upgrade your account, you will get this code snippet inside your premium members area. Okay, so just paste the code snippet here and save, then publish the page, and then preview. Okay, let me show you. I already added the code snippet. It's very simple and small code snippet. Okay, so if I make this mobile version, okay, you can see here this section. Okay, the images are showing side by side, as well as all the logos are showing side by side. Okay, so this is very powerful, though it's simple code snippet. Okay, it's a record sometimes when you need to show this type of grid style image both on mobile and desktop. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also you can join our GHL code snippet library free version by joining our community. Okay, just join our community, it's completely free. Okay, and you will get the free version of our GHL code snippet. But if you need our premium version, then you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so thank you.